Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using these window clings, wood planks, and tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree. I took the pieces of plank wood, they are 4.5 inches, and painted them with Barcelona beige chalk paint, covering them completely using 2 coats. Once they were dry, I added a layer of Mod Podge to one side of each of the pieces of plank wood. While the Mod Podge is still wet, I add down a window cling onto each one. I just place it down and smooth it out with my fingers. I dry that layer of Mod Podge completely. Try not to leave the heat on the window clings too long so they don't melt. After that layer is dry, I add another layer of Mod Podge on top. After that layer was dry, I took this snow tex, which I got from Hobby Lobby, but most craft stores do have it. And I just take a small amount of it and apply it all around the border of the front of each of the pieces of wood. And one of them, I forgot the window cling hung over a little, so I just trimmed that up and then continued with the snow tex on the border. I used my heating tool to dry that snow tex. I made sure it was completely dry and then flipped it over and used tumbling tower blocks for spacing in between them. Used my square to get them nice and straight. I add a line of hot glue across 3 of them and add down this red cord, which I got from Hobby Lobby. I cut off the excess and then do the same thing on the other side. And then next I'm adding the tumbling tower blocks. I needed 3 of them to the bottom side of each of them. And I don't put it exactly on the bottom, I just have it up a tiny bit so they'll sit right. And then I use the Barcelona beige paint to paint those, just give them 1 coat. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.